Good everyone, my name is Casey Leon Pascual, a student nurse. So, for today's procedure, we're going to be proceeding with the transferring from bed to chair, then vice versa, which is chair to bed. This is to ensure the safeness of the patient while transferring from chair to bed to chair. So, for the first step, gathering all the materials. I've gathered a chair and the gate belt. So, for the first step, of course, for the most important one, the hand hygiene. This is to avoid contamination, of course. Then, next is the glove. Then, after we do the gloving, of course, we need to introduce yourself to the patient. Anong gagawin nyo? Identify the patient and the procedure. So, good morning or good afternoon. My name is Casey Leon Pascual. I am your student nurse. So, for today's procedure, ito transfer ko lang po kayo from the bed to chair. So, okay lang po ba sa inyo? So, may I know your name po?
Orlando L. Pasco.
Then your birth date nyo po?
April 21, 2008.
So, for the next step, we need to provide privacy to the patient. So, I will be closing the curtains and the door for your privacy. Then, we need to put this chair, over 45-degree angle para mas madali ating matransfer yung patient. At the same time, make sure it's stable and locked. So proceeding to the procedure, tatanggalin natin yung linen ng patient. Because magka-transfer tayo. Then next, ang gagawin na natin is lalagyan natin sa sitting position yung patient natin. So sir, ganyan yung ano nyo. And then sa kabila. Then after that, i-ano natin yung sa likod ng patient, support natin. And yung sa legs with a swing motion para ma-avoid natin yung twisting or injury. Sir? Okay, shoot siya. Then the legs. Then 1, 2, 3, swing. Okay, sir? Comfortable naman po kayo. Then next, gagawin natin is we're putting on the gate belt. So, sir, lalagay ko lang po sa waist nyo to. So, nilalagay natin tong gate belt to support the patient and para mas mapadali yung process ng pag-carry sa kanya and for the safetyness of the patient as well. Then after that, ililift natin yung patient and make sure na yung knees sa kanya para nakapantay or nasa between them para ma-avoid yung in case na out of balance siya or mahulog, masasapo nyo pa rin siya. So, hahawakan nyo tong gate belt. Then, sabihin yung patient, lilift siya in 3, 2, 1. But, before that, pwede nyo po bang ilagay yung kamay nyo sa shoulder ko? This is to support the patient. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Then, slowly, sa chair. Then, remove the gate belt. Then, you will ask if the patient is comfortable. So, comfortable naman po kayo. For the next procedure, we'll be moving the patient from the chair to bed. Same techniques as before, we need to use the gate belt. Then, same process. 3, 2, 1. Then, yung sa knees mo, dapat nakaano sa kanya. Sir, dikit nyo po. Naka-cover siya. Then, papahawak nyo papalagay nyo yung kamay niya dito sa shoulder nyo. Okay, sir? 3, 2, 1, go! Then, sitting position. Dahan-dahan. Then, you can remove the gate belt na. Dahan-dahan lang. Comfortably naman po kayo. Then, sir, pag ganyan na lang po yung kamay nyo. Using the same as kanina, same technique. Support natin yung back niya. Pa-lay down, then swing. So, taas nyo po. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay? Then, okay na po, sir. We will be covering the patient, the line again, for privacy. So, comfortable naman po kayo.
Opo.
So, that's it for the transferring. Thank you so much.